Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We are today going up to the market. Janice needed to buy some clothes and we are going to go and look around a little bit. And this is a market that is open every Friday and we haven't been here for a long time. So, hi there! Alright, so we're just gonna take a stroll down here. So what is it that you need, huh?
I just need to.
Yeah, so I never seen so many clothes. But it's not as crowded as it normally is. Sometimes here it's crowded. Today it's actually pretty good, or maybe everybody's gone by now.
That one's good.
What's good?
Today.
Huh?
Today's good.
Yeah, but it's excruciating hot today. It's like it's crazy hot. I think we have 95, 96 degrees. And coming down here, you can see the sun. We're trying to stay in the shade. But these streets are even full of street vendors. Going up this way, it's a lot of vendors up there. So anyway, this is Angeles Market, up in downtown, right around the corner from Pure Gold. Bargain, what is this? Bargain shirts, white shirt. Huh? Oh, no. No puppies, they're cute, but they are cute, but they are not what I want. So anyway, I don't know on what you wanted to get today, but
I need to find ukay-ukay.
What?
Ukay-ukay, bargain.
Bargain?
Yeah, more cheaper.
Bargain of what?
T-shirt.
T-shirts? Some shirts, T-shirts? Yeah. There's a little more people down here.
Yeah, and also I have a tip for those who wanna come here for the first time. You should always put your bag in front of you because there's a lot of pocketer here.
Yeah, like
Look.
she carries the bag on her stomach in case there is some pickpocketer around. No, thank you. Not today. Starbucks coffee face masks. Shorts. Bunch of bags up there. Here's some swim trunks, alright? Shorts, swim trunks. Bunch of jeans. Socks. Jewelry. More socks. It is incredible. It's just fun, just people watching sometimes.
Mango shake, mango. Hello, my friend, you want mango shake? Sweet and cold, my friend. Only 20 pesos.
20 peso. Yeah, I'll take you on. You want one?
Yeah. 2, 3.
2.
Okay. You hold it. And you hold.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we got us a little mango shake. All right. Can you open this for me, huh? It's pretty good. Refreshing. All right, so let's dive into what you need here. You don't find anything?
Yeah. Need to find anything.
Yeah, mango is in season today. Actually, the mango season is just about over, right?
Yeah, we can go inside. Remember?
No,
There's
I don't remember.
a church.
Oh,
Remember when we go inside?
oh yeah, there's a church in there. So what's there? They're selling stuff inside the church. Huh? A little bit. My voice is getting scruffed up.
There's a lot of fruits over there. Let's go
Yeah.
check it out.
It's avocado, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's guava.
Guava,
This
lemon,
mangosteen.
apples.
Mangosteen, look.
What are those?
Mangosteen.
What is it?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what that means, but
That's mangosteen. There's also aquarium. Oh,
huh? Yeah, aquarium. A little bit of everything here. Parakeets. These are parakeets down there. All right.
kind of parrots.
Huh?
Parrot.
Yeah, those are called parakeets, I think. This is a different. That's a different bird. But they're pretty. They're pretty birds.
The blue one, look.
Yeah.
The blue one.
Yeah.
Different colors.
Yeah.
So hot inside there.
Mm. Yeah. Let's get outside. Let's get outside. All right. So here was a bunch of curtains. Some plants, some more mango.
Yes. Ano po? Remember, this is the place we buy your shirt.
Yeah. I remember.
You have smooches.
I don't know.
I don't have change.
Well, wait. Let's see. I have a 20 there. All right. Okay. Yeah, but we're not here to shop for me, honey. We're here to shop for you. You said t-shirts. I don't see t-shirts here. Let's shop for you now. I don't need anything at this point. I have more clothes than I can wear. Cosmetics. Yeah, but I don't think I need any more now. It's amazing how much they got stuff they got here. Socks again. Ladies underwear. There got to be at least more than 100 vendors here. More than that, maybe 200, 300. It is packed with merchandise.
That's all for baby stuff.
Yeah, children's, babies. 150 pesos, $3 for a dress.
Yeah.
A 3-4-year-old maybe. I am not talking so much today. My voice is a little scruffy. I get like that when it's overheating. When it's hot, I start losing my voice for some reason. Always been like that. School started. They have school bags here, kid shoes, sneakers, more flip-flops, some fruit. On the other side there we have school backpacks. Should we go down the street here a little bit and check? Alright, we're gonna try to go down this street a little bit and see. She couldn't find what she was looking for in there, so I don't know if we're gonna have any success here, but this is kind of the outside of things. The aisles we were just coming from doesn't have any traffic. This one is open for traffic, so there's a little bit of cars going by. A little noisy, but yeah, today it is scorching. The feel-like temperatures is way above 100, I bet you. It's terribly hot. And this is partially why we haven't, had a goal when I started this channel, and the goal was pretty much try to put out at least one video every day, 6 days a week, and take Sundays off. And since we started in I think it was October, beginning of October, I have not quite accomplished that, but I am at 4.5 videos a week. So we'll just gotta keep up with it. We're glad our subscriber base has been growing, and we're happy about that. And our very next goal is to take us up to 1,000 subscribers, and we are today about 120, 130 subscribers away. So go ahead and share the videos with us and help us to reach that goal. And once we do, we're going to have a little bit of t-shirt giveaways and a few other things. So appreciate your patronage with us. Thank you very much. Alright, so my wife is still going down this way, trying to find a few things here. She says she needs some t-shirts and tops, so we're going to try to see if we can find anything like that today. It is busy here. It's an interesting phenomenon when you're going shopping with women. They decide to go and buy a blouse or t-shirt or a top, and they start looking at pants, and most likely end up buying some. It's funny. But anyway, guys, this is the daily life in Philippines. Gotta do some shopping sometimes. And today is the day when we are trying to get a few things of that done. It's hot today, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, I
Alright.
give you 6.
Alright, so she finally found something here.
This one is worth of 200 peso. 2 pence.
2 pants, 2 jeans. And you paid how much? 200? 100 each. That's not bad. $2 for a pair of jeans. All right, give me 100.
Oh, refreshing. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. One more. One more. Okay, let's go.
Alright, so we're going to try to head back to our motorcycle. I just about had all I can take today with this heat. The sun is burning. So that's it for now, guys. Friday market, and we'll say bye-bye for now. Hit that subscribe button, share, like, and dislike. And when you dislike, give us a comment so we can better ourselves and get an idea of what it is you don't like. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.